Rio's first bike ride. It was a sunny evening in Mumbai, and little Rio, a 5 month old fluffy white German Spitz, had no idea what's in store for him. I looked at him and said, Rio, are you ready for your first bike ride? He tilted his head, ears perked up, and let out a happy bark as if to say, absolutely. With his little harness snug up and he fluffed like a cloud, I gently placed him in a custom backpack designed just for our rides. His head popped out, eyes wide, nose twitching with curiosity. His tongue flopped out slightly as a breeze hit his face with a yawn, and we took off into the heart of the city. As we weaved through the traffic of Mumbai, I played tour guide for him. Okay, Rio, this is Andheri. Lots of cool people, even cooler dogs. Even better bike ride. He looked to the left and right like he was memorizing the streets. People on the streets pointed out and smiled as they saw this tiny happy pup cruising along like a pro biker. Rio soaked it all in, honking rickshaws, scent of street food and the buzz of city life. At one signal someone waved, Rio wagged his tail and gave a happy bark, melting hearts instantly. That's a vada pav stall. No, you can't have any. Okay, maybe just a sniff next time. Rio gave a soft whine, clearly protesting the decision. As we rode, I glanced at him. There he was, ears flapping, smiling wide, eyes full of wonder. It was the first of many rides, but that day, Rio was just a puppy on a bike. He was riding shotgun with his best friend. And I swear, as we got back, he looked at me with his eyes, same time tomorrow, aren't we?